Welcome back to Motovan TV. Bart here with Fred. Today we are going to talk about how to wash your motorcycle.
Okay, well the first step is make sure your motorcycle is not hot. So that it wasn't started or anything, that it's cold, that the engine is cold, okay? What you want to do is you want to hose it down with water first, okay? And here we have spray soaps that we call. So what you want to do is vaporize the soap all over the motorcycle.
Okay, directly on the bike.
Directly on the bike, everywhere. Just make sure you have it really everywhere on the bike, the seat, the windshield, anything. You get a washing mitt, if we can call them, okay? Again, ultra soft, because you want to protect your finish, all right, the paint. So just like you would wash anything else, your car, you just rub your bike completely, make sure you get rid of all the dirt. We have an S100 wheel cleaner, so for tougher jobs when your wheel has either brake dust stuck to your wheels, or if your motorcycle has a chain, you have chain lube that's stuck on your wheel. So this will be, everything could be washed normally, but let's say you're finished washing your bike and you still have residue on your wheels. This is like a bit stronger.
If you need to go the extra mile.
Exactly, except you have to be very careful to just keep this on the wheels. This is very strong. So try to avoid the plastics, electronics, stuff like that. And then after that, what you'll do is you'll rinse it thoroughly and make sure that there's no soap left, because that'll make, of course, it'll do marks, and especially when it dries with the sun, it'll be even worse. You want to make sure it's really rinsed out well. And then when you want to, you use something like this here, the super drying towel from S100. This is to dry your motorcycle. And something that I personally do, that I know a lot of people do, is once it's fully rinsed, you can start your motorcycle, because the heat of the motorcycle will help everything dry up even quicker.
Oh, okay.
Right? Just be careful not to burn your hands on the engine or the exhaust. If we continue here, we have, this is a special wax, S100 wax. If you want to, after you wash your bike, you want to, again, go do the extra mile and wax your bike. You got special waxes.
Make it more shiny.
Exactly. So talking about shine, you have like polishing soaps here. So this is to wash your chrome, like polish your chrome wheels, your exhausts. So as you can see, it comes with its own applicator.
So Fred, there is one last product that we didn't talk about yet.
Oh, here, yes. Thank you for noticing that. It's the S100 Special Surface Cleaner. So again, in its title, Special Surface. We use this for polycarbonate windshields. Okay, because of course you're looking through a windshield, so you want to not scratch it
clean.
Exactly, as best you can. So again, a super soft cloth. Okay, you vaporize that on the windshield, on the plastic. Just wipe it off, and it has a bit of a polishing agent in it as well. So it'll really like crystal clear your plastic windshield. And here we have, I don't know if you noticed, Bart, but we have 3 bottles here. Basically, what we call these are kind of like dry washes. So let's say your motorcycle is not that dirty. You just have some dust on it, but you still want to make it, and you want to have it nice before you go out with your friends or whatever. You don't need water, so you just spray this on your motorcycle. You take a super soft cloth and you just rub it everywhere, and make sure you don't leave any streaks. And at the same time, it's a kind of like a wax. It leaves like a little film. Make everything very shiny and bright.
2-in-1 product.
It's exactly that. It's a 2-in-1 product. All right, so that's a wrap on our video on how to wash your motorcycle. For all your motorcycle cleaning needs, please visit motovan.com. For more specific details on what we learned today, visit the tips page on motovan.com.